So first we're going to talk about daily. Now, don't get too upset. I know as soon as I say daily, what do you mean? I don't have time. How am I going to do things daily? No, no. The daily items are things that can be done, that can be set up and can be automated. You are not going to have to do them yourself. So number one is uptime monitoring. And number two is backups. So uptime monitoring is making sure that your site stays up. I mean, it's just as simple. It's just as simple as that. It's having something that goes in and looks at your site on a, usually actually it's not even, this isn't even daily. This happens on a minute by minute basis. Your site's still there? Good. Your site's still there? Good. Your site's still there? Good. So that's uptime monitoring. And then backups. So what is that? That's creating backups of your site that then get saved to your that get saved so that should anything go wrong, maybe something nefarious happens where somebody hacks into your site, you've got a backup. Or it could be something much more innocent. Somebody on your team goes in and makes a change that they don't realize they think is going to be a change in a localized area, but instead it's in a global area. And now all of a sudden you've completely mucked things up. Do you have a backup that you can go to? So the good news about backups is if you're with a good web host, they will typically provide those services. So that's not necessarily something you have to do externally. It's just something that you need to very carefully make sure happens and that it's continuing to happen and it doesn't turn off. That's something you might want to check in on a quarterly basis. Hey, are we still getting backups?